R.D. Sharma, Class 8, Chapter number 6, Algebraic Expression and Identities. In that topic is multiplication of algebraic expression. Now we know that plus into plus is equal to plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus, and minus into minus is equal to plus. Now if any variable n and n are positive integer, then m raised to n into a raised to n equal to a m plus n. Okay, if your base is same, then you can plus the power. Let us see with an example. Now here a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Now here see the example, 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 3 plus 4. So answer is 2 raised to 3 plus 4 is 7. Right? So this is your answer, 2 raised to power 7. Now let us start with an exercise 6.3. Find each of the following product. First one, 5x square into 4x cube. Now first one question is 5x square into 4x cube. This is both the monomial. Okay, here the variable are same and we have to multiply it. So we can multiply directly. 5 into 4 is 20 and x 2 plus 3. X variable same, base is same, we can plus the power. So which formula we are using? A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So 20 x raised to 3, 4, 5. Now minus 3a square into 4b raised to 4. Now this what we have to do? Here base are not the same, so we can't multiply. So what, first of all, minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. 3 4 is 12 and minus sign as it is, and a square b raised to 4 as it is, because their variables are not same, their base are not same, so we can't add this. Okay, we can't use this formula. Now third one. Now your third one is equal to minus 5 into minus 3 is plus 15. 5 3s are 15 and minus minus plus. Now x raised to 1 and plus 2 y raised to 1, nothing means 1, plus here also 1 and z raised to nothing, so as it is set. Then 15 x raised to 3, y raised to 2 and z. Which formula we had used? A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a m plus n. Now question number. Now here half xy into 2 by 3 x square y z square. So equal to half into 2 by 3. So first 1 into 2 is 2 and 2 into 3 is 6. We have to multiply. Okay, 1 into 2 2 and 2 into 3 6. Then formula x raised to 1 plus 2 y raised to 1 plus here also y 1 and z, here z is not there, so z square. So equal to, we can cancel this, 2 1s are 2 3s are, so 1 upon 3 x raised to 3 y raised to 2 and z raised to 2 is the answer. Now let us do sixth one. Here we have to multiply this minus minus. Okay, so I am writing only the fraction, that is minus 24 upon 24 25 multiplied by minus 15 upon 60. Okay, then x multiply by x cube, here 1 is there, so plus 1, y, only y is there, so y as it is, and then z 1 plus 2. Okay, now what we have to do? Now we can cancel this by 5. First of all, do it by 5. 5 3s are and 5 5s are. Now this is also with 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 and 2 12 are 24. Again we can cancel it. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are, 2 2s are, and 2 3s are. Now we can cancel? No. So minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9 upon 5 into 10. X raised to 4, y as it is, and z raised to 3 is the answer. We have to first convert this into simplest form. Okay, here I am writing the formula a raised to m, a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Now see here, minus 7xy into 1 upon 4x square y z. Okay, thus first of all these two will multiply. Minus 7 into 1 upon 4 is minus 7 upon 4. Then x 1 and here it is 2, so 2, y raised to 1 and nothing means 1, so 1, and z as it is. So equal to minus 7 upon 4 x cube y raised to 2 and z is the answer. Now in 9th one we are multiplying. Here in the 12th one, first of all I had taken out all the constant term. Then a raised to 4 plus 2 and b raised to 1 plus 2. Now this one we can cancel it, right? So 7 1s are and 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2 cancel. Now directly we have to write minus 3 upon 5 a raised to 6 and b raised to 3 is the answer. Now this 15th one we had given in point, so we'll convert this into fraction form, that is 5 upon 10x into 1 upon 3x y square z raised to 4 multiply by 24x raised to square y z. Now this term, this coefficient we will separate together. So it is 5 upon 10 into 1 upon 3 into 24 multiply by x raised to, here 1 is there, plus 2 y raised to 2 x raised to 1 plus here also 1 plus 1 plus 2 y raised to 2 plus 1 and z raised to 4 plus 1. So equal to, we can cancel this. 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 2 1s are, here nothing means 1. 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 and 2 4s are. 3 1s are and 3 4s are. So 4 x raised to 4, y raised to 3 and z raised to 5 is the answer. Now here we will convert this decimal into fraction form. So equal to 23 upon 10 xy multiply by 1 upon 10x into 16 upon 100. Okay, now we can cancel. No need to cancel it, just multiply it, because here 10 is there, so directly we can put the point, so no need to cancel it. So 23 upon 10 into 1 upon 10 into 16 upon 100 multiply by x raised to 1 plus 1 and y raised to 1 multiply by y raised to 1. Now 23 into 16 is 3 6 8 upon 1 2 3 4. 4 zeros are there, so 4 zeros multiply by x raised to 2 and y raised to 1, so as it is. Okay, so if you want to make a decimal, you can make it that 0.0368 x raised to square y raised to 1, which is y. Thank you for watching this video.